Every year, this website has helped hundreds of Jeep owners solve the one problem they never expected when they bought their Jeep Wranglers: water leaks. Hi, I'm Tony, the world's leading expert on solving the exact issue that has you watching this video right now. See, much like you, my nightmare with this issue started like yours. I purchased my first Jeep only to realize how wet it gets after I signed the paperwork at the dealer. They never told me anything about this. So, probably like you, I went to the dealer assuming that they could fix the problem. But after spending lots of time, multiple visits, and upwards to $1,000, you come to realize they can't fix this problem, because if they could, they would. But why? Why can't the dealer pull a part off their shelf and fix the issue? Well, there's two reasons. Number one, Jeep Wranglers are the only vehicle on the planet without a body side seal. That part does not exist. Let me explain. When you open the door on your Wrangler, you'll notice a rubber seal around the perimeter of your door. It's a black rubber gasket that goes around the entire perimeter of your door. Great. All vehicles have this. Now, let's take a look at the body. You'll notice it's bare metal. You do not have the same continuous rubber going all around the body. Now, every vehicle on the road, aside from Jeep Wranglers, have a door side and a body side seal that keep water out when you slam the door. And that is why you've never experienced this issue on any other vehicle you've ever owned. The body and the door side gasket seal water out when they join. And by the way, if you're thinking, well, does this happen for the newer Wranglers? Yes, it does. It happens for all Wranglers. All years have the same issues, even the new 2025s. How do I know? I speak to dozens of people every week. And just so you know, a body side seal has never been added to the Wranglers on the production line or made as a post-production part that dealers can stock on their shelves to easily solve this issue for you. Now, here's reason number two your Wrangler leaks. It's a way to draw you, the customer, back into the dealer to replace old, worn out parts. They wheel you in, right? You buy the vehicle, it leaks, you got water on your floor, you call them up. Now, does this sound familiar? Yeah, bring it on in. And when you get there, they offer to replace old, worn out parts like door seals, header gaskets, muckets, your freedom panels. Then they find other little goodies like oil leaks, worn out brake pads. And then the list just goes on and on until they get you upwards of $1,000 like they had me. I even had a woman call me one time saying that they replaced her carpet, her wet carpet, for $3,500. And that all starts with a drop of water and you calling them about that. Now, ultimately what happens is they wear you out and you give up, thinking if they can't fix it, neither can I. It is what it is. It's a Jeep. It's supposed to leak. They even tell you that at the dealer. And that's why I was believing this. And also like you, feeling frustrated, angry, and confused. I was even regretting that I got the Jeep in the first place. The wave wasn't worth it. The juice was not worth the squeeze. But this frustration is what led to what is now the Jeep Leak Fix Kit. Realizing that Jeep Chrysler refused to produce a body side seal, this light bulb never wants to go off, I decided to create my own Wrangler specific gasket that's been successfully installed on Jeeps around the world, solving this problem once and for all. And that's made here in the United States, by the way. Over the past 4 years, I've gathered feedback from customers who have used and installed this, and I've taken that information and made useful installation guides that you can follow, ensuring everyone succeeds when they go ahead and install the Jeep Leak Fix Kit. And aside from the amazing results Jeepers are having with our Jeep Leak Fix Kit, I'm most proud of the way customers speak in the reviews, knowing that they can call me directly to my cell phone 7 days a week with questions they have before, during, and after their installation. So if you have any questions or you'd like to speak with me about your particular situation, give me a call. My name is Tony, between the hours of 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'll be glad to help you solve your leaking issues. Well, guys, there you have it. Now you know why your Jeep leaks and how you can fix it. Have a blessed day.